So how to connect Xbox controller to your MacBook? First of all, turn on your Xbox, and at the same time you have to turn on your Bluetooth option on your Mac. Go to system setting, then press on Bluetooth. Just press on enable Bluetooth, and at the same time you have to enable your Bluetooth signal by pressing this icon 2 or 3 seconds. Once the popping up, then it's mean it's turn on. Now again search it, then you can see Xbox wireless controller is available here. Just press on connect, and it's now connected. Now let's now you see I can control my I'm playing the game with the controller. So that's it. Have a good day.